Rise up kings and queens, you know it's Queen Jody, and we are here in Brufut Heights touring the first of its kind townhouse. Yes guys, it's an American standard luxury townhouse. Okay guys, so these townhouses are built on a 1500 square meters of land, and it's not yet completed, but we want to take you on a tour of the inside so you can see what it's like coming soon. Yeah?
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
One thing I like about this though, I like the way how the houses are, you know, built.
Yeah.
It's built very nice.
Absolutely.
I really like this walkway. Let's just walk.
I love the walkway, to be honest with you. And
You do?
I love the black, what do you call those?
The railing.
Yeah, the railing.
Yeah.
I love them. They're nice. And the beauty about these railings is that they aren't metal.
They are not metal.
No.
That is true.
Yeah. So I forgot to even tell you that we are close to the beach, guys.
We're close to the beach.
Yes, this property is close proximity to the beach, so hence the fact that the owner or the builder did not put metal. Yeah.
But it's nice now.
Yes.
They're still working on it right now, guys. As you can see,
Yes, it's a work in progress.
the standard of this place is extremely beautiful. I think around here is going to be like a storage area, and that's where you have the borehole.
Maybe boys' waters.
Yeah, Brufut Heights is nice. Me always miss out the word.
And guys,
It's very
this
nice.
property is being built with a pool as
Yeah,
well.
so all of the people who like to swim.
All those who like to chill around the pool in the evening time will have a pool to do so.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you see, it's working right now, guys. Everything is work in progress right now, but we have exclusive access to this place, and we just wanted to really take you guys on a tour to show you the standard and the quality of this house. And these are the standard of quality of houses that we want to see in the Gambia, right, Jody?
That's right.
Yes.
And I love that we can actually go around the property.
Yes.
Because I've peeked, guys. I've peeked. And you can walk right around. But we just want to make sure to show you, you know, as we said, it's coming soon, so it's not complete. So I won't be able to walk right around now because the tiling is still being worked on.
Yeah.
But you can see the front part. You see the idea of what the builder wants to accomplish.
Yeah.
You understand? And I like that. You see those two palm trees that we just passed down there? There will be more on the property because the builder has, you know, kind of put those spaces where greenery has to be, you know.
Yeah, like this, this spot here.
Soften up the space.
Yeah, you left that. You know, there's a really nice view behind you right now, where there's like straight to the middle, and you can see that nice house right there.
Right.
This one, it's very nice, guys. But look at the quality of these houses, guys. I have to tell you the truth. Shout out to the builders for making this right now.
Also, what you want to know as well with these houses is that if you notice those little small holes in the top there, that's for air going into the roof. Yeah, you understand? So the house won't be sweating, you know. And you know, normally when it's rainy season especially, you will have a lot of water, and if the house is locked up, the moisture is sealed off kind of. But this house is built to allow for air to pass through the roof. And also, if you notice these vents, is to allow also for air to pass through.
And this is a garage, by God.
Guys,
Carport.
Now, you know, I love to have a carport in my place. You understand? And I think I love the fact that the designer and the builder has taken the time to consider these things, because majority of the places that we've been to, there was not much parking space.
I agree with that.
So I love that these townhouses, which is the first of its kind, actually have carports for vehicles to park.
That is true. And as I said, guys, work is ongoing right now. And all of the items are shipped from overseas. Well, 90% of the items that build this house is shipped from overseas. Yeah, the owner said you guys will understand what that brand means. So, you know.
So as we said, guys, it's a luxury townhouse that is being built here, and it's American standard. Yeah. So for those who are American brothers and sisters who wish to,
and anybody, anybody who have good taste, this place is definitely for you.
Absolutely.
But guys, we're gonna take you on a tour of one of the units. As I said, it's not completed as yet, but they're working on it. So this is basically work in progress. We were told that maybe 6 to 8 weeks before it's completed. So guys, we're gonna tour this unit, right, Jody? We're gonna show them inside this unit right now.
So right here, or in Patois, right here, so is the veranda, or the front porch. Yes. What other name you call this?
Patio.
The patio. Okay. Let's go. Well, this is not a big one, but it's a nice open space. You know,
yeah, I like it. It's very big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go in.
Let's go inside.
You see this nice golden door handle.
But the door is nice too.
Style.
And solid.
Yeah.
Very solid door.
Alright. Guys, it's a work in progress. So as you walk in, this will be the entryway.
Yeah.
Right? And you're getting an idea of what the space will look like. This is the living quarters.
Wow, check those lights.
Yeah.
Huge.
These lights, oh my gosh. Anyway, so yes guys, this would be the living room. And you'll be walking right into the dining area. Right, and what I love about this, as you always know, I talk about this open space. You understand, between the living and the dining room.
That is
true. A lot
true.
of lights coming in, natural lights. Yeah. Alright, behind the dining area is the back patio, back porch, back veranda.
Backyard.
The backyard, right? All the townhouses have this one AP.
And out here you can literally just put like a jerk pan, I don't know.
Yeah.
And I like that you can like literally exit here and come here and just go outside. Right. Oh, by the way guys, the fence, there would be like a security thing on the fence, so don't worry.
Security on the fence, so
exactly.
you don't have to worry about that.
No, this place is very secure.
What I do like about the back is the dining areas that we can see right through to the back if you're sitting at the dining table.
That is true.
You know, so you can even open out this and you like talking to anybody out here. Hey.
Hi. It's really nice.
Alright.
I like this door as well.
The chandelier. And it's nicely placed. You know, when you get your nice dining table, you set up here. When it's finished, it's gonna be a
bam. It's gonna be. Invite me over to dinner, guys.
Alright, so this section would be like a guest bathroom. So you would have like the face basin and just the toilet.
Okay.
Right.
It's nice.
So down here, I think
this is a kitchen, yeah.
Right. So down here is the kitchen. Yeah. And so a lot of things will be fixed up in here. As I say, it's a work in progress.
Yeah.
I think we can go through the back.
Yeah, these are the items that are gonna be used.
Yeah. So you go through the back here. But as I said, it's a work in progress, guys.
Yeah. You see, you can go straight around. And flowers, I think flowers are gonna be planted around here somehow.
Yes. I think it's like a store.
Yeah, like a little small storage area.
Right. So I like that the designer used up the space. You know, because you know the staircase is on that side as well.
That is true.
So all right, let me close this back and show you the rest of the house. Yeah. So. Okay, so we saw the garage in the next space, but to my right would be the garage when you drive in. You know, from the off.
From the off day.
You drive into the carport and you enter from there.
All right. So now this is the personal gym, the workout.
Yes, guys.
You can put flowers here.
Yes, you can. But this would be my little reading nook. I'd like setting this up with my sofa. You know what I call those? The mats and the cushions. And my little book, and teddy bears.
So you can even put a flat screen here somehow. I don't know. You can watch it on your way upstairs.
Alright guys, look at this beautiful light right here. And also the railings for the staircase is the same quality as the railings outside. Alright guys, so we have...
You're going this way first.
Yeah. We have the bedroom here, so it's 3 bedroom en suites, right? So this is one of the bedrooms, and then you have the bathroom. As I said, we're work in progress, so you have the workman. My apologies, sir. We're just showing you. Right, so you have toilet, face basin, shower. Alright?
All right, and I like the huge windows again.
Yes, because the huge windows give you that natural light.
And the room size is very nice.
Alright, let's go to the left. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now this is also another bedroom.
Yeah, this is another bedroom here.
Yeah. The bathroom is being taken care of as well. So it's a bedroom ensuite, guys.
Yeah.
Ensuite.
It's very nice.
Yeah.
Hey, all the people who like to come outside and look.
Yeah.
There you go there.
Hey, hello neighbor. Hi. Oh, we're doing great today. Yes.
Yeah.
We're loving the scenery.
Yeah, and then you know, it's like as I said, guys, this is a community where you know people can feel safe, and
Right.
I like that. I like that vibes. It's not completed yet, and I feel so safe. Yeah. So.
Alright, so now for the master bedroom.
This is the master
This will
bedroom.
be the master bedroom.
Yeah.
You have two big windows, a big open door right here. Yeah. And this will be the ensuite bathroom as well. But guys, as I said, it's a work in progress. Alright, let's go, let's go. Alright guys, so we're basically at the end of our
Tour.
But I didn't want to leave out that you also will have like an extra parking spot. This is gonna be right here, and it can host 6 cars. You know, so aside from your carport, you will have extra parking space.
That is super nice.
Right?
That is very important to me.
That's right.
And it's gonna be sliding gate, guys, coming inside. So everything will be up to par, as this is one of those up to par community in the Gambia, Brufut Heights.
That's right.
Jody, what do you think thus far though? What do you think of the place?
I'm loving the space, and to be honest with you, I'm loving how the townhouses are looking.
Yeah.
You know, and I like that all of them is not one place.
Yeah.
You get what I say? I like that difference, like this is here and this is down here, but space is here to offer other things.
That is true.
Also, what I forgot to mention to you guys is that the walls are waterproof, especially at the bottom, because you know most times when it rains, the bottom of the houses tend to have that thing,
get green.
Right. So the designer has made it his point of duty to ensure that those parts are dealt with. So
yeah, I want to say shout out to the construction team.
Yeah.
Shout out to the owner of this project for allowing us to come here and do this tour.
Right.
We really appreciate it.
Right.
Guys, as I said, it's coming soon. It's not completed as yet,
Coming
but
soon.
if you're interested in this place, definitely contact us at the information that you're seeing on the screen now or in the description. Remember to give the video a thumbs up. Share it everywhere.
That's right.
And you don't know how we do it,
yes,
Jody.
you don't know how we do it. Feet on the ground, working and letting it work.
Consistently.
Out in the streets.
Out in the streets. Yeah. All right.